Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named is pastime. Okay, let us start. As a student, I get free time sometimes and I do some exciting things to pass that time. I never want to waste any time in my life. That's why whatever I do, I want to use the time properly. First of all, I am a computer lover. When I get time, I spend time learning new things about the computers. I know the current world is based on technology and I need to know the computer to get a better job and future. I have two books where there are different types of lessons about computers. We have a small garden in front of our house. I work there with my father. I mostly help him to do the main works. I am a book lover too. I have a huge collection of books in my home. My parents also encourage me to read lots of books. It has been my hobby to read books. That's why I try to read quality books when I am free. That's how I spend my pastime. I don't want to waste all the time playing video games or going out with friends. I want to do something that helps me to grow better in the future. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.